excited because it looks really interesting. The content looks great. उसके अलावा रसिका एंड मैंने POW नाम के एक सीरीज में काम किया था निखिल अडवाणी के लिए, निखिल अडवाणी सर के लिए. Before he sees it, he's like, but so I think she's a wonderful actress. बहुत ही कमाल की अदाकारा है. And even Purav was also there. He's also a very good actor. So I'm here to support the team. I think it'll be a great show. Yeah, content-wise, I think it's a great platform. It's a great medium where you can put out a lot of interesting stuff without any boundaries. You know, आपको ये नहीं सोचना पड़ता कि अरे this is family viewing या फिर this is for that or this kind of audience. So you can just put out a lot of interesting stuff, I think, online in terms of web. So that's a big plus. Thank you. लुक के लिए पानीपत अभी तक तो बहुत ही पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस मिला है एंड बट आई थिंक जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे तो आपको समझ आएगा कि लुक का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है और शमशेर बहादुर का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है पानीपत की थर्ड बैटल में. बट अभी तक द रिस्पांस हैज़ बीन वेरी वेरी पॉजिटिव एंड या सो अभी कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं लग रहा है ये मस्तानी का बेटा, लग रहा है ये बाजीराव का बेटा. सो दैट्स अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो इट मेक्स मी हैप्पी. या Ashutosh sir is legendary. There are no two ways about it. He's one of the best filmmakers in the country. उनके साथ मैंने एवरेस्ट नाम का सीरीज़ किया था एक, जो मेरा पहला शो था, पहली सीरीज़ थी. अब ये मैं दूसरी बार उनके साथ कोलैबोरेट कर रहा हूँ बट बिग स्क्रीन के लिए. So he's like I said, he's a legend. He knows exactly what he wants from his actors, from his crew, from his team. He's done so much homework himself. So he expects कि आपने भी उतना ही homework किया हो, and which is the right way of being on set. You should be prepared. So it's been a fantastic experience working on Panipat. मतलब जैसे कहते हैं ना दिल खुश हो गया, वो वाला experience था बिल्कुल. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
यार I think every time जब something new comes up, कुछ नया बनता है, everyone is excited about the Indian content because that's what we've been talking about कि digital इतना बड़ा हो गया है and it's good that new shows you know are coming up now and then and some you like, some you don't like, but it's great that there's so much content that's flowing. So I'm very excited because I'm working with Hotstar also. जिस बारे में हम बात नहीं कर सकते. तो that's why I'm here. So I'm excited for Out of Love. Great actors. I've seen them in so many places, so many movies, so many web shows. So I hope it's going to be exciting. हाँ हाँ इतनी खबर. देखो मेरे जितने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में है उतना मैंने बोल दिया. मैं नहीं यार, आई थिंक आई हैड फन शूटिंग विद लारा. आई जस्ट फिनिश्ड माय वर्क. शूटिंग अभी चल रही है बट आई जस्ट रैप्ड अप माय 3 days back. So I'm very excited. I hope people like it. It's something I have never done and we've tried something. I'll be glad if people like it, and even if they don't, I'll still try harder. That's all I can say. इतना ही है मेरे contract. Yeah. I don't know if it's a crime. I think it's a very it's human behavior to have a liking towards somebody else other than your partner or your legal partner, as we call, because I think the rules and regulations are being created by us. I'm not saying it's a crime. It shouldn't be done. It's wrong, I can say, because ethically and morally it's wrong. But I feel everyone goes through that. It's not just, and by partners I just don't mean husband and wife. I also mean boyfriend, girlfriend, or any kind of partners. In any kind of space, out here we're talking about relationships, but in any kind of partnership, there are certain legal thoughts, there are some moral and ethical things that you should not do. But I think when it comes to love and relationships, I feel people can fall in love with more than one person at a time. I feel. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just very glad that it's been 15 years. It doesn't seem like, doesn't feel like. Uh, I'm just very happy that people, all you guys out there, you've given us so much love. Even 15 years later, I remember, the digital space, my Instagram was buzzing that day, and I was very happy because, this shows that it still means a lot to a lot of people, and uh, it shows what was the kind of impact that remix left, and I'm just glad that people still resonate with it, people still remember it, like it, and I just hope I can do more work like that. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Man. Thank you.
I'm very excited because it has been made by a renowned filmmaker. But the cast, Rasika and Pura, are also very, very good actors. So I am looking forward. And the subject is also well delicate, and I hope it's handled well. So yes. Again, I mean, it's a tricky question, but the thing is, I think if let's say a couple is husband and wife, and if things are happening without telling the other person, then you're cheating them, you're being dishonest, you're not being fully clear, right? So I guess that's not a right thing to do. I guess if there's open communication between both the parties, and then whatever happens, then it's fine. But अगर आप किसी को बता नहीं रहे हैं और आप पीठ के पीछे से कर रहे हैं ये सब, then it's unfaithful. Well, I'm doing a Hotstar project. I don't know whether I can talk about it, but I can't. But it's a brilliant project. It'll come soon. So yes.
मैं excited हूँ यार. I'm a big fan of Rasika personally. I worked with her and she's been doing some great work, web pay and films में और हर medium में. So my primary reason is Rasika. I've come here to watch her and I saw the trailer and it looked really interesting. This is a topic that I think is pretty relevant these days, relationships और किस तरह की problems लोग face कर रहे हैं today's day and age. So I think I'm looking forward to watching the episode and see what they've done. Yeah. See, crime तो पता नहीं because अगर crime होता तो उसके against law होता. Laws भी हैं थोड़े से. So I think eventually any relationship is about two people. चाहे वो शादी हो, चाहे वो सिर्फ एक relationship हो, चाहे माँ बाप हो, चाहे भाई बहन हो. So I think any kind of fidelity is defined by कि आप दोनों के बीच की अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्या है. अभी आज के दौर में हर तरह के रिलेशनशिप्स हैं. अगर रिलेशनशिप की अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि मुझे इतना सब अलाउड है और उतना तुम्हें अलाउड है, then it's fair. Then वो उन दो लोगों की आपस की अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. But I think the problem arises when somebody crosses our understanding. अगर आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि यार ये हमारी बाउंड्रीज हैं रिलेशनशिप की, अगर वो बाउंड्री तब कोई क्रॉस करता है one of the two people, then how do you solve it? I think is where the problems come in. सीक्रेट है यार. अभी आई बिन शूटिंग फॉर समथिंग. मैंने ट्रिपलिंग 2 मेरा आया था अप्रैल में, उसके बाद से कुछ अनाउंस नहीं किया है. लास्ट 3 मंथ्स आई बिन शूटिंग फॉर समथिंग. अभी 2 दिन पहले ख़त्म हुई है शूट. होपफुली एक हफ्ते के अंदर अनाउंस हो जाएगा. कॉमेडी थैंक यू सो मच.
It looks like a very interesting show with very good actors. So excitement is always there to watch such shows. Yeah. I don't think you should be unfaithful to your partner because if you commit to somebody, then you should fulfill the commitment. I'm nobody to say it's a crime or anything, but you should not be unfaithful. But sometimes things happen. बहुत तो ये शो इसलिए देखना है मुझे. What is it about? It all depends on that moment. I'm starting something soon. Not right now, but yeah, I'm starting some. I'm finally starting something soon. Thank you.
Someone will ask me something, right? I was wondering if I'm supposed to just start talking. Oh, I'm very excited. One of my favorites, Rasika, is in it, so I'm really excited to watch it because of her. Also because I think that, the trailer was very interesting, and I love that these kind of shows are being made, and there's stuff for urban people like us to watch. So I'm very excited to watch it. Yes. No, I think loyalty is a concept that I hold very close to my heart, whether it's to friends, whether it's to work, whether it's to your partner. And, also the world we live in now, a lot of people say that loyalty is dead. So, but I'm on the other spectrum of things. I'm very, very traditional. And, I believe there's some things in life which you shouldn't compromise on, and loyalty is certainly one of them. I know everyone's been asking me. I'm waiting for a good web series or something. I don't know. I'm in talks with a lot of people, but we haven't decided. I'd like to do something urban. I've done a lot of shows which are, Saas Bahu kind of shows, and there was a time for that. And then I've done so much reality. I've done all different kinds of reality shows, game shows, and, even won some of them and anchored so many of them. But now I think this is the golden era for, this kind of content, and this is my kind of content. I'm very excited to engage with it. So I'm just really waiting for the right show, and I feel it's close by. So let's see. Fingers crossed. Thank you.
मैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड अरे मैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ यार हाँ जी राय क्या होगी इस पे शो अच्छा होना चाहिए एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज देव गॉट वेरी गुड एक्टर्स they've got I've not seen the original show, but I believe that's also a very good show, and that's all that matters. Now, how is your storytelling? How is your performance? How is your direction? So I'm really looking forward to seeing it. कॉन्सेप्ट में फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है सर, बिकॉज फ्रैंकली आप किसी भी चीज़ पे शो बनाओ, आप गैम्बलिंग पे बनाओ, आप एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर पे बनाओ, आप किसी ऑफिस के सेटिंग पे बनाओ, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. पॉइंट इज यू शुड मेक अ गुड शो, यू शुड एंगेज विद इट, यू शुड आइडेंटिफाई विद द कैरेक्टर्स, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स ग्रेट, दैट्स फैंटास्टिक. थैंक यू सो मच. यहाँ पे इतने सारे हॉटस्टार के लोग बैठे हैं, आप उनसे पूछिए, उनका शो है. मैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ कि अगर ऑफिस सीजन 3 हो जाए. इनसे पूछिए, सब हॉटस्टार से पूछिएगा, इनसे कब आ रहा है सब पूछ रहे हैं. पूछिए, मॉडल से पूछिए कब आ रहा है. इनसे पूछिए. ओके, ठीक है. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much.
लोगों को ट्रेलर बहुत ही पसंद आया और बहुत ऐसे लोग थे मैंने सोचा था कि उनको शायद ये ट्रेलर पसंद नहीं आएगा क्योंकि शायद ये उनका जॉनर नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स जिनसे मैंने उम्मीद नहीं की थी उन्होंने भी बोला कि उनको ट्रेलर बहुत पसंद आया. तो उम्मीद है कि लोग सीरीज़ भी देखेंगे जब 22 नवंबर को रिलीज़ होगी. जी जी. I think it's a very common thing. Unfortunately, not many people talk about it. So other people also stop talking about it because they feel ashamed of a situation like this. But the fact is that it happens very commonly. And so the series is interesting कि जिनके साथ ऐसा हुआ है मुझे लगता है वो भी रिलेट करेंगे इस सीरीज से, और जिनके साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ है वो उन लोगों को जज करना बंद कर देंगे जिनके साथ ऐसा हुआ है, मेरे ख्याल से। ऐसा कोई सीक्रेट कोड नहीं है। अगर आप दिल से किसी चीज़, अगर दिल से आपको कोई चीज़ पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ बेझिझक वो करिए और बिना डर के करिए। जब दिल्ली क्राइम की स्क्रिप्ट आई थी तो कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं था ऑन बोर्ड, लेकिन हम सब एक्टर्स ने they believed in the story and that's why we did the show, and today it is where it is. So be a part of, without being afraid, be a part of stories which are different, stories which are compelling, stories which should be told. जी sorry I'm very excited about the cast of A Suitable Boy. There are over 100 characters in the show and being played by very lovely actors, and बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग मिक्स ऑफ एक्टर्स है। बहुत एक्सपीरियंस्ड एक्टर्स भी हैं और बहुत नए एक्टर्स भी हैं, बहुत फ्रेशनेस लेकर आ रहे हैं प्रोजेक्ट पे। तो कभी कभी मैं सेट पर बस बैठ के एक्टर्स को देखती रहती हूँ कि सब कैसे अपना काम कर रहे हैं। इट्स अ जॉयस एक्सपीरियंस फॉर दैट, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी लवली ensemble cast. And of course, the one thing that we all have in common is our complete awe and respect for Meera Nair and the work that she has done. Thank you.
Hi.
Hello. We are very excited because the trailer looks amazing. It has Rasika, she is so good at her craft. Tigmanshu, I mean, I think the best of the best have come together, so it has to be really good.
Yeah, same here. Actually, I just saw the trailer. I was coming, I was on the way, and I just saw it looks really fab, and I'm really fan of Rasika's work, so I'm really looking forward to their work here.
Right. Sorry?
It's natural. Someone thinks it's a crime.
No, it's not a crime.
It's not a crime. Yeah,
if it was a crime, you'd be put in jail for it. unless you kill your partner. Now,
I mean, if
that's a
they
crime.
don't have the connect, why will you force yourself in that relationship, right? So,
doubting a partner or doubting somebody is just a part of any relation. I think it's not necessarily a husband also. Sometimes you doubt कि मेरा भाई भी झूठ बोल रहा है, or sister is also lying. So that's a natural human instinct. Of course, it turns up way more in husband and wife, and I think that's what we'll have to watch over here and see how they've dealt with it.
yeah, that's what I said. I said if you're not, if you don't feel the connect, why will you force yourself in that relation? So that's what I said.
No couple will want to fight because you have to live together. But say, for example, I do believe in the forgive and forget motto. Not necessarily you forget, but you should learn to forgive.
I to always say sorry, whatever it is, even if I am wrong or not, I just say sorry and finish it off. I actually hate fighting. I want to finish that fight there and then, and I don't like taking it forward. That's why.
Not as of now. ऐसे projects मिलेंगे तो ऐसे कर लूँगी मैं.
Really?
This is the kind of work
We all
that
want
I
to do,
want to
yeah.
be doing. So when this happens for me,
I think अभी
I
वो
will do it.
time है जहाँ पे सबको बहुत अच्छा content करना है, and where it's shot well and executed well. So I think we all are looking forward to.
Tigmanshu Dhulia, like,
Yeah, exactly. What else do you want, man?
Like,
Yeah.
where is he? I should be like, okay, it's on the way. That's great. Thank you.
Thank you.
कौन है? मुझे मेरा फोटो खींचने वाला कौन है? क्या पूछना चाहते हो पूछो. नजदीक आ जाओ. I started as Dr. Kapoor, Dr. Foster. Now it has become out of love. What can I do? I am helpless. I have been kicked out of this whole unit. When you see, you will understand. But one thing, I am thankful to the BBC that I am in this character. Out of 180 films, or 34 serials, and 52 years theatre, I've never done such character, which has been designed by the writer, as well as I'm grateful to Timangshu Dhulia and Ejaz Khan. I'm always a director's actor, not producer's actor. ये अलग बात है कि हॉट स्टार के लिए, स्टार प्लस के लिए बहुत काम किया है पहले, बट ऑलवेज आई एम ए डायरेक्टर्स एक्टर. सुनाई कब पड़ा, बहुत चिल्ला चिल्ली है. वेब सीरीज की कॉन्सेप्ट, जैसे डायरेक्टर ने एक बार इंटरव्यू में बताया था कि जब तक थ्रिल नहीं होता है, जब तक छोटे छोटे एपिसोड कॉमन मैन या लोगों की ज़िंदगी से टच नहीं करता है, तब तक बात बनती नहीं है. ये हाई क्लास, एक मिडिल क्लास और हायर क्लास थोड़ा कनेक्टेड है. इट इज़ समथिंग न्यू एंड मैच्योर लव स्टोरी विच आई केम टू नो. मैंने पूरी सीरियल देखी नहीं है, मैं अपना कैरेक्टर एक डबिंग के टाइम पे हमने थोड़ा देखा है. आई थॉट इट इज़ डॉक्टर्स प्रॉब्लम, बट इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स अ ट्रायंगुलर प्रॉब्लम, मैच्योर ट्रायंगुलर प्रॉब्लम. I hope it will be liked by audience because it is something new in web series.
I'm very excited. It's all about cheating and infidelity. So let's see what's new. Yeah, I am. That's what I'm saying. I'm excited to see what's new in the relationship equation. Do I need to shout? Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah. It's very individual choice. I mean, we can't judge others because what someone is doing in their personal life, it's very personal and we don't know why they're doing what they're doing. I personally feel it's not right, but if they're doing it, they might be happy about it, so they're doing it. I think it's fantastic. I think OTT platform has opened up channels for opportunities for many things. And it's great that new concepts are coming in. What's actually happening in real life is coming in on web also, because web is more, a lot of people can see more than cinema. So yeah, it's good, great. Yeah, my next is with Hotstar only. It's not officially announced, but we have finished shooting, and probably in a month. It's comedy. It's comedy drama. It's a lot of comedy. Thank you so much. एक बजे लेने. Done before, and I love the way it has been shot. I like working with the team a lot. Became good friends with Rasika and Purab. Concept of that, right. What do I want to say about being unfaithful? What's my point on that? It's a very personal thing, yeah. The show sort of talks about both parties' point of view, but more so, it's never nice to be felt like someone has cheated on you. It doesn't have to be deals with it in a way which becomes very interesting and it makes you think about things. So my point of view, no, I don't want anyone to cheat on anybody. It's not nice, but it's very personal, and this is one equation that's sort of gone into a man and a woman's journey with it. It's quite cool. That I am doing, I'll be in Inside Edge season 2. That'll be next for me on the 6th of December. I'm excited about that too, and that's a completely different character than what I'm doing over here. Vikrant Dhawan's wife in it. So yeah.
Hi. Well, very excited. That's the reason I'm here. And also very excited because whatever Hotstar does is always, the concept and content is very strong, always. And this show has got good actors. So I'm looking forward. I'm about to go inside and they said, no, first you give a bite. I said, let me see it and then I can talk. He said, no, pre or post, dono kijiye. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Sorry. Okay. My thought, let me see the thing, then I will talk about being unfaithful is not nice. It's not a good thing to be unfaithful. But we make shows, the content is this, so I have to see that, and I'm sure there will be a justification. And it should be interesting when you see, because these things do happen, and you have to be true to what happens in real life. And like I said, Hotstar does things which is, like I've done work with Sokoto before. So they come out with very interesting subjects. So I'm sure this will be a very interesting show. Sorry, you know what, honestly, you have to come closer. I can't hear you properly, sorry. Well, I am Arjun Chachu. I'm not his mentor. Yes, we share a great rapport. I produced a film with him also called Table, and he's my friend. Of course, I'm his chacha, but I'm more his friend. We like have common friends, so we party also together. We talk a lot about work together, and yes, Panipat is looking great. Arjun works very hard. It's good to see him with hair. I was really tired seeing him bald, and whenever I used to see his pictures with the cap, I used to get very irritated. So finally, hair has come back, and yeah, Panipat trailer was outstanding, and now I'm looking forward to see the film. Well, nowadays when the project is about to come, everybody puts you in contract. They said, don't talk about it, don't talk about it. So today we'll talk about Out of Love. When I come for my thing, I'll talk about my project. Thank you.
को देखो, बीच में देखो, ठीक है, थैंक यू। अप्रिसिएशन में किल ना हो, क्या सवाल क्या है? अब ट्रेलर पे बहुत अप्रिसिएशन मिला है, शो अभी रिलीज़ नहीं हुई है, तो आज के बाद जब पूरी दुनिया देखेगी तब अच्छा मतलब पता चलेगा कि लोग को पसंद आ रहा है कि नहीं। लेकिन ट्रेलर देख के बहुत लोग को इंटरेस्ट आया है शो में, एंड दैट्स ऑलरेडी वन स्टेप ऑफ द बैटल दैट्स बीन वन। My take on it is that it might, for me, it seems very natural to be attracted to different people at different times. Acting upon it is a problem, but whether you choose to act upon it, I think it's a good thing to be honest about it. तो जैसे कि इस कैरेक्टर में जो मैंने निभाया है इस शो के लिए, ये झूठ बोलता रहता अपनी बीवी से, अपने बच्चे से, एंड ही स्टिल हैविंग एन अफेयर विद समबडी एल्स। तो वो बात ठीक नहीं है कि अगर आप सच बोलेंगे, जैसे आप फील करते हैं, आप इंसान हैं, आपकी इमोशंस है, आपको जैसा महसूस हो रहा है, आप उसको अपने पार्टनर के ऑपोजिट रखिए, एंड यू शुड वर्क इट आउट टुगेदर, इज़ माय ओपिनियन। मुश्किल है कहना, क्योंकि जब ये ऐसी नौबत आती है आपके लाइफ में, तो आप खुद उस समय आपको सब चीज़ें बैलेंस वे करना पड़ता है कि क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए, आपकी फैमिली में कौन कौन है, आप कितना चाहते हैं। क्योंकि बहुत अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि अगर ऐसा सिचुएशन आता है तो एक इंसान, दोनों इंसान एक दूसरे को प्यार भी करते हैं, लेकिन ये सिचुएशन, ऐसी सिचुएशन आ गई है, तो ओनली यू कैन आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन प्रॉपर्ली इफ यू आर इन दैट सिचुएशन। और फिलहाल तो मैं हूँ नहीं उस सिचुएशन में, तो पर मैं कहूँगा विदाउट बीइंग इन द सिचुएशन आई वुड से फाइट प्रॉपर्ली। नहीं, फिलहाल तो यही है। थैंक यू।
I am quite excited because a couple of people that I know, Rasika is one of them, and I think she's a fab actor. And the story looks very interesting. Tigmanshu sir I have worked with before in criminal justice, and Ejaz is again a friend. I loved Hamid. Both Rasika and Ejaz are together. So yeah, in totality, I'm really excited to watch it. Yeah, I feel that if there is infidelity in the relationship, there is something really wrong in the relationship, first of all. So, yeah, infidelity is hurtful and it is a wrong thing to do. But apart from that, you have to see what is missing in the relationship. So, just basically hyping that up is not, that's not my personal belief system. I think instances of infidelity are subjective. What matters is how the bond in the relationship is, and you can work on it if you have to. Thank you. I am very thankful to the audience, to God for making it such a huge success. I had great fun shooting it, and it's been, it's very close to my heart. I had a great time with Hrithik and Tiger both, and YRF is like home now. So, yeah, I'm very excited the way it was received, and good things are coming. Well, Criminal Justice 2, which is again with Applause, the same makers, that's going to start about, I think, this next month. And I'm working on this web series with Prakash Jha also. So that's also there. And there's another one which is about to release, Asura en Route. So yeah, and there are some things that are in the pipeline. Let's hope it gets finalized. Thank you.
जी सो हाँ वेब शोज़ क्या है, क्यों है, किस लिए है, कैसा है, वगैरह वगैरह। हमारे लिए तो अच्छा है, और अच्छा यूँ है कि बहुत सारा प्रोग्रामिंग टेलीविज़न में इस वक्त ऐसा है जो पहले टेलीविज़न ABCD, वो जो A शहरों के कुछ ग्रेड्स होते हैं मेरे ख्याल में, A सिटीज़, B सिटीज़, C सिटीज़, वो सब पहले जो सीरियल्स बना करते थे आज से कुछ 20 साल पहले, उन शहरों के लिए अब सीरियल्स नहीं बनते हैं। अब जो सीरियल्स बनते हैं, जो कहानियाँ बनती हैं, जो किरदार बनते हैं, वो ऐसा कहा जाता है कि इन बड़े शहरों के लिए नहीं है, वो छोटे शहरों के लिए हैं और छोटे कस्बों के लिए बनाए जाते हैं। तो बहुत सारी ऑडियंस है जो आज बार बार आप ये सुनते हैं कि अरे उस ज़माने में ऐसा होता था और मालगुडी डेज बनता था और फला बनता था और ये बनता था। वो स्पेस वेब सीरीज़ में फिर से आई है। तो जो ऑडियंस उस ज़माने की है उसको थोड़ा बहुत उस किस्म का काम वेब सीरीज़ में देखने मिलता है। और वेब सीरीज़ का प्रेजेंटेशन, उसमें जो काम होता है, जिस तरह से वो शूट किया जाता है, जिस तरह से सामने लाया जाता है, वो आज के टेलीविज़न से बहुत बेहतर है। तो उन मामलों में अच्छा ही है। और दूसरा सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि वो जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है। 10 एपिसोड कीजिए और आगे चलिए। सो उन सब तरीक़ों को मिला के मुझे तो बहुत सही लगता है। वो तो फिर बाज़ार में हर तरह की चीज़ होगी। जब बाज़ार खुलेगा और ऐसा बाज़ार खुलेगा जहां फ़िलहाल ऐसी कोई ख़ास रेगुलेशन की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तो ज़ाहिर है लोग हर तरह की चीज़ बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे और हर तरह की चीज़ देखने की ऑडियंस तो है ही। तो वो तो पसंद आए या ना पसंद आए वो होगा। कुछ लोग जो है अच्छा भी काम करेंगे, कुछ लोग सस्ता काम करेंगे, कुछ सही करेंगे और कुछ अमुक लोगों की परिभाषा के हिसाब से वो काम अच्छा नहीं माना जाता होगा। लेकिन ठीक है, बाज़ार है। बाज़ार में हर कहानियों की जगह है, हर किस्म की कहानी की जगह है और हर किस्म की कहानी की ऑडियंस है। तो ठीक है। ओके, शुक्रिया।
Okay, look in the center. First, please get my name right. My name is Tiska, not Triska. Thank you. I'm reasonably excited because this is my friend Rasika's show, and the last show that I did was for Hotstar. My first web series was Hostages, and they're coming out with some very unusual content, so it's something that I'm very excited to watch. I can't hear you at all, so you'll have to come here. It's not a crime because, you know, being unfaithful is not a crime. I don't think you can be punished. I don't think it's a crime to be unfaithful. It's ethically wrong. I think it's a contract that you make with yourself that you're going to be with a certain person and you're cheating yourself because you're not keeping your word. If you don't want to be with that person, you should be with someone else. And I think it's the morality of it which is questioned rather than it being a crime. Because you can't be punished for cheating on your husband or your wife or your girlfriend. I'll use another option, which is like F off. I'm not in season 2 of Hostages, but you will see me in Good News on the 27th of December, and after that a bunch of things is coming, so one after the other.
के बारे में मैं एक्सपर्ट हूँ, इसलिए आप मुझे पूछ रहे हैं आप लोग। यार अनफेथफुल रिलेशनशिप हो या जो भी सब्जेक्ट हो, ये आउट ऑफ लव इज़ अबाउट अनफेथफुलनेस। बट आउट ऑफ लव का अगर आपने जो क्रेडिट्स देखोगे, टिशू सर है, रसिका है, पूरब है, सुहास है, बहुत ही मतलब उम्दा कैरेक्टर कास्ट है, और बेस्ड ऑन डॉक्टर फॉस्टर, तो इतना मटेरियल इतना रोमांचक है, सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। अभी देखा जाएगा वो लोग ने अडेप्टेशन कैसे किया है, किस तरह से किया है। हालांकि वो लोग ने जिस तरह से पिछले बार नाइट ऑफ को वो लोग ने अडेप्ट किया था क्रिमिनल जस्टिस बना के, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग था। हॉस्टेजेस को वो लोग ने जिस तरह से जो इजरायली शो को हॉस्टेजेस को यहाँ पे अडेप्ट किया है, तो मेरे ख्याल से जिस तरह से उनका जो ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड हुआ है बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हुआ है। यार क्या है कि फिल्म मेकर के तौर पे मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि जिन हमारी इंडस्ट्री में जो लोग अब आज तक वेब प्लेटफॉर्म या वेब शोज़ या OTT जो भी आप कहना चाहते हो उसे जो रेजिस्ट कर रहे हैं उनको रेजिस्ट करना बंद करना चाहिए। क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से द फ्यूचर, ये लोग कहते हैं कि द फ्यूचर इज़ वेब शो, द फ्यूचर इज़ OTT, द फ्यूचर इज़ द इंटरनेट। इट्स नॉट द फ्यूचर, इज़ द पास्ट। वी हैव इट इज़ हियर टू स्टे एंड वी आर फूलिश इफ वी रेजिस्ट इट। क्या है कि हाँ, हम हालांकि हम लोग PVR आइकॉन में बैठ के ये इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं, बट फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग इज दिस गोइंग टू बी? क्योंकि क्या है कि आप कई सालों में मतलब 1, 2 शायद 3 साल में जो जो फिल्म जो आप थिएटर में आके देखते हो वो आपको फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो आपके घर पे मिलेगा। तो आप क्या करोगे? आप घर पे देखोगे या यहाँ आके देखोगे? तो वही मेरे हिसाब से क्या है कि इट इज़ नॉट द फ्यूचर, इट इज़ हियर टू स्टे एंड वी हैव टू एम्ब्रेस इट। I'm totally for it. I'm completely for it. I've always been for it. When we made POW, it was on Star Plus, and it was on Star Plus, and then they played on Hotstar. Hotstar पे इतना बड़ा reception हुआ उसको कि today people on Hotstar turn around and say, I wish we put POW today. So I'm totally for it. We are in MA Entertainment. We are doing 10 shows. We are doing 10 shows. We are doing 6 फिल्म कर रहे हैं, पर 10 शो भी कर रहे हैं। I don't think so. Nothing can affect the business of film because it will always adapt itself. It will change its structure. It will change its module. It will change the way it monetize itself. So films will still get made, but जहाँ पे where you are getting money from the theatrical, the digital platform will give you that same amount of money for putting it on first day first show and on. So it will keep changing. That will never change. That will not change. Thank you. I think that listen, the review is the most important review, the review of the public, right? I keep telling this to every single person. A lot of my friends are reviewers, and I tell them all that what will you do in a world where the paying public goes in to watch the film and they have on their WhatsApp groups, which they may have 10, 15, 20 WhatsApp groups, सब WhatsApp group पे उन्होंने खुद का review डाल दिया. So your review does not matter. The review of the so-called reviewer does not matter because it is the public that is reviewing now everything. Good, bad, अच्छा लगा, नहीं लगा, यार 2 गाने बहुत अच्छे हैं, देख लो, टाइम पास पिक्चर है, सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा बहुत अच्छा है, तारा कमने में. It is the review of the public that matters. And I cannot take the credit of Marchava. I cannot take the credit at all. It is मिलाप. मैं वैसी फिल्म बनाता नहीं हूँ. मैंने इंटरव्यू मतलब ट्रेलर पे भी बोला था कि मैं ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे भी बोला था कि मैं इस फिल्म का कोई क्रेडिट लेना नहीं चाहता हूँ बिकॉज इट इज़ मिलाप्स कन्विक्शन. वो बिलीव करता है ऑडियंसेस और जिस एक किस्म की ऑडियंसेस को बिलीव करता है, एक किस्म की फिल्म्स के बारे में बिलीव करता है. आई स्टिल मेक फिल्म लाइक बाटला हाउस एंड एयरलिफ्ट एंड जो मुझे पसंद है. तो मिलाप लव्स ऑडियंसेस, आई लव टेलिंग स्टोरीज. दैट्स द डिफरेंस. बट इट इज़ हिज completely his victory. It is only his victory. Yeah. Correct. The date is also finalized that we have not announced it as yet. We are still, there are 2-3 names that we are discussing कि किस तरह से क्या करना है. हालांकि मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि अब तक जब पोस्टर फाइनल हो जाएगा तब we'll put all the 3 names on the poster and then we'll see which is the best one. It's a very special film. It's a film that is being made by my assistant. Her name is Kashvi Nair. She's worked with me for 9 years. She's Shashilal Nair's daughter. बहुत ही स्पेशल फिल्म है. It's a complete family. बधाई हो और लुक्का छुपी और तन्नू वेड्स मन्नू उस स्पेस की उस जॉनर की फिल्म है। शुभ मंगल सावधान जैसी फिल्म जॉनर की फिल्म है। एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ व्हाट द काइंड ऑफ मटेरियल दैट माय कंपनी एंड माय प्रोडक्शन कंपनी इज पुटिंग आउट। या थैंक यू।